Okay, how do I know when to buy into a crypto when using the monthly, quarterly, yearly indices, especially when the system hasn't updated the list in a week or more? Okay, I mean, so that's the, that's a very, very good question. So if we come here to the indices, so ideally the best time to buy in is whenever it's going to rebalance. So for example, if you want to join the daily day trading index, um, I would just set the alarm for whenever it updates and just pretty much get in. But let's say you're in the monthly, right? So this one basically updates at the end of each month. So right now it is December 6th. I would still get in now, right? So I would basically say look at how much time is left until the next rebalancing. Let's say it's December 25th. It probably makes more sense to wait until the 31st to buy that new index as opposed to buying this and holding. So I would say in general, just look at how much time is left, right? So if you have more than 50% remaining, then it probably makes sense to get in. But if it's about to rebalance soon, so let's say the monthly, if it's about to rebalance in less than a week, I think that probably makes sense. If we go to the value investor, I would say look at the prior time horizon and use that as a gauge, right? So if you're in the quarterly, if there's less than a month to rebalancing, I'll probably just wait it out. And if you're in the yearly, if there's less than 1 quarter to rebalance, I'd probably just wait it out. Bill, what's your take in terms of when's a good time to get into an index?
Okay, so this is the question that everyone has to answer when doing these portfolios. So I want to break it down into like, portfolios and then tactical thinking. Our indices, they're going to mature. They're based on AI and a lot of great mathematics, but they're not a replacement for thought and risk management. Okay. So you can just simply, when the time horizon shifts and it rebalances. So at the end of the month, if it's a monthly, you can just roll your positions into the new coins. Or if you're a longer term player and you want to say, keep an eye on synthetics. Okay. Then, you keep a chart, you ask us in the chat room. Okay. And when synthetics or whatever coin you're looking at dips, if you know you want to buy it for a year, okay, you grab it on the dip. So it depends how involved that you want to get. What I encourage people to do is to follow the coins that they like, follow the coins that show up in these indices, and then try to get in at the best possible prices. I think when Yearn and Aave and Uni showed up in one of the shorter term indices, that could be a hint as to where the next big, the person was asking about the 10X, that could be where the next big move is. So whether you're looking at a daily or a yearly, you want to track the coins that you're interested in. Okay. You can do it on the rebalance. That's fine, but you should still know where it is and at least one level of where you'd like to get in. Right. And if you can't figure that out and you're in the premium group, ask us.
All right. Thank you, Bill. So quick comments from the audience here. Wow, comments are going so fast. Somebody says, I look at the indices, scroll down, and it shows purchase price. And then I throw in some technical analysis. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, so tell us what you think down below. So that question was in regards to when's a good time to get into the indices. So tell us what you think down below. How do you use Token Metrics?